Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my previous video, I have discussed about the distance calculation from the origin to the hyperplane, perpendicular distance length, okay? And we have got the formula of D is this one. Just recall minus of B by mod omega, where our linear separated equation is omega transpose X plus B equal to 0. For the detailed derivation, you can check my previous video, right? Now, let's consider any random point in this particular n-dimensional space. Here in this case I am considering 2 dimension, and consider the position vector of that particular random point is u vector. Okay, now see, any point which is placed above this particular linear separator will be considered belonging from positive class, and any point below this particular linear separator placed here will be considered belonging from negative class. Okay, now how we can calculate whether that particular point is above or below the particular linear separator? How? So for that, what we can do, we can take projection of u vector in the direction of the perpendicular, okay, perpendicular of the particular linear separator. Okay, so if you take u vector projection in the direction of the perpendicular of this linear separator, then whatever value we will be getting after applying projection concept, if that is less than d, then that means obviously that is belonging to this side, that is negative class, and if we are getting value greater than equal to d, that means that projection along the perpendicular of the linear separator is greater than the distance between origin and the hyperplane. If this condition is satisfied, then that point will surely be placed somewhere here, right? That means that will be belonging to positive class, right? As simple as that. So what is the projection formula? A vector is a vector. If you want to get the projection in the direction of B vector, what do you do? A vector dot B cap, where B cap is nothing but unit vector along the direction of B vector. That is B vector by mod of B vector also, you can say, right? So here simply we can write like the concept A vector dot B cap. So here the projection of U vector along the perpendicular of this particular linear separator will be U vector dot W cap. Why W cap? Because I have shown you the derivation. The W vector is basically the direction which is basically perpendicular to the linear separator. Now whenever we discuss about direction, we take unit vector so that we can write W vector by mod of W vector, which is W cap. Okay, so if one particular data point for which position vector is U vector has to be belong from positive class, then this condition must be satisfied. U vector dot W cap greater than equal to d. This projection of U vector along the perpendicular direction of the linear separator should be greater than equal to d, which is basically the distance between origin to the hyperplane. I hope you can understand. Here you take any point, you take projection. If the distance is more, that means if the distance is more compared to this distance d, that means obviously that point has to be placed here, right? Upper of this particular linear separator. So W cap you can rewrite like this: U vector dot W vector by mod of W vector greater than equal to d. What is d? I have discussed minus of B by mod of omega, right? So mod of omega or mod of W will be cancelled in both left hand and right hand side, and you will be getting U vector dot W vector greater than equal to minus B. Okay, you take minus B term in the left hand side, you will be getting U vector dot W vector plus B, or you can say W vector dot U vector plus B greater than equal to 0 for positive samples, and for negative samples simply W vector dot U vector plus B less than 0. Okay, so this is the decision rule in terms of vector notation. Okay, so W vector is what? W vector is the basically vector which is basically in the direction of the perpendicular of the linear separator. U vector is the position vector of any random point. B is basically minus C, where C is what? C is coming from y equal to mx plus c, right? If it is greater than equal to 0, then we will be considering that as positive sample, else that will be considered as negative sample. Okay, so this is the decision rule in terms of vector representation, right? So I hope this concept is clear to you. This is all for this video. I will continue in my next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.